So for this example, your equation here given is surd x plus 1. Notice that we have two surd in this equation. So what we need to do, we rearrange. One surd at left hand side, another surd we go to right hand side. So for this surd going to right hand side, it will be minus square root of x minus 4. Then we start the procedure to remove our surd notation by squaring both sides. So you remember one side, left hand side square, right hand side square. It's not squaring one by one. Okay, it's not squaring one by one. It's not what I'm doing here. So this is what I mean squaring one by one. It doesn't go back equivalent because you do once square in left hand side, automatic at right hand side also one time of square only. It's not going to square and square and square. Alright, so this will be our wrong concept doing squaring both sides. So in a bracket to square both sides. Okay, square root and square, we can simplify. So therefore, for left hand side, we're leaving x plus 1. For right hand side, remember the concept of square is to expand this is a square 2 times ab and then b square. Maksudnya depan square 2 darab depan belakang, then belakang ni square. So 2 times 5, 5 square, a 5 square. So it gives you 25. Then 2 times a times b, 2 times 5, 10. Times b, negative, so negative 10 surd. At the back here, square, negative, negative become positive. Then square root and square, we cancel off, it left x minus 4 only. So until this stage, our equation will come to remaining 1 surd at right hand side. So in order to continue simplify, means this 1 surd, we're going to rearrange. We start back the concept of 1 surd solving. So rearrange this to the right hand side, we get 10. So the remaining, here we all move to the right hand side. Okay, so 25 minus 4 minus 1, 20. Again, 25 minus 4, move this one, minus 5 into 20. So x, move this x minus x, 0. Then we still can simplify. There, 20 can be divided by 10, it gives you 2. So we repeat the procedure of solving 1 surd, which is square both sides again. So finally, we just left x minus 4 equals to 4. So x will be equals to 8. So lastly, don't forget, we need to check this answer. So having your left hand side, what is that? Right hand side, what is that? So right hand side obviously is the value of 5. So left hand side, you just press your calculator. This is square root of 9. Square root of 4. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So they are equivalent. Our left hand side equal back to the right hand side. So x equals to 8 will be our final answer.